In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how to trade the US30 market successfully and make profit from the market, and how to see a good opportunity for a buy or a sell. Right now, first of all, what we're going to do is identify our top up levels. Right, we're going to identify our top up, and we're going to be using technical analysis as well. Now, what we're seeing here is a top. Here is a top 1, here is top 2. Right, here is top 1, top 2, here is top 3, here is top 4. Right now, how do you know a top up? When the market has bought for a particular period of time, like a bullish candle. Like if you trace this one right here, at this point you see that this is a bullish candle. Here the market starts from this point and it bought to this point and it retested. Right, then you draw your trend lines across here, you take it from the tip right here at this point. Right, then if this market, right, which is this red candle right here, if it breaks down below this point, this trend line which I drew right here, if it breaks down, the market will sell and it's another top. Right, so this is how you identify a top up. Now you have seen this top up here, here again is another top up. And when you see that this market has a top up, the market is going to sell. All right, take a look at it. Here is a top up right here. You take a look at it. Here is top, here's the top 1, here is top 2, the market sold. Here's the top, the market sold. Here again it's another top, the market sold. Right here at this point you can see this inverted hammer. Right, you can see the inverted hammer, and anywhere there's an inverted hammer, the market is going to retest. Right, and that retest means that the market is going to sell. Now you can see from this point right here up to this point, the market sold. Right, this is a very good sell opportunity. You place your sell at this point, immediately you saw that the market are retested. Now you saw right here that this market bought up to this point before it retested. Right, you can see that the market was trying to buy to this point, then the market retested up to this point. Right, then it broke out. Take a look at this. If you draw your trend lines, you take it from this bottom. Right, you want to touch the nearest bottom, then you take it to this top right here. Right, you take it to this top right here, you take it, you see that the trend line right here, it breaks. Yeah, the market breaks below. Right, this is an inverted hammer, it breaks below and it resulted in a sell opportunity and the market sold. Right, you can see the very good sell. Right, and now we're seeing that this market is another double top right here. This is a live trade, guys. Take a look at it. This is a live trade at this point right here. This is another double top right here, which we are about to see. We're about to see another double top at this point. Right, take a look at it, guys. This is another top right here, and this market is going to sell right now. The market is going to sell. You draw your trend line. Remember, I told you guys that you can draw your trend line from the bottom, you take it from the top. Right, and we can see that the market has already breaks down right here. The market breaks. Right, it breaks down below this trend line that I drew. It breaks down below and it will begin to sell just like it did here. It sold. We're seeing a top up right here, and the market just created an inverted hammer. Take a look at it, just like the same pattern it created at this point. That the same pattern is about to create here, then it's going to sell just like you see it right there, guys. Now that's how you identify a double top. Right, and whenever there's a double top, the market is going to sell always, just like it did here. The market sold right here at this point. Again, the market sold another double top, and you can see here this is a double top, the market sold. Now to trade this using trend line strategy alone, what you do is to draw your trend lines. When you draw the trend lines, you draw your trend lines, take it from this point right here. You want to make it touch the nearest point from the downwards to the upwards trends at this point. Right, you want to make it touch this point, as you can see. Now you saw that this is the trend I just drew right now, and when you see that this red line, which is the red candle, if it sells below this trend line that I drew, the market is going to sell. Take a look at it right here. The market started selling from this point downwards to this point. Right, take a look at the sell opportunity, the amount of profit you would have made from this market if you take a sell from this point. Now let's check how the market is doing on the live chart. Right, let's see what's going on the market. Like I told you guys that I told you, when there's an inverted hammer, the market is going to sell. just like it's doing right now. This market is a sell market. It's going to sell, it will buy, it will sell, but it's going downward. We're seeing a downward trend market right here. We're seeing a downward trend. This market is going to sell, right? The market is going to sell, and it will go up again, starting from this point to this point right here. Okay, the market is going to sell, following the same strategy, following the same pattern again, just like we're seeing right here. Like I told you guys, this market is going to sell. Take a look at it. Take a look at it, guys. Perfect strategy, perfect opportunity for you to make profit from the market. Now you saw how I was able to identify the top up. You saw how I was able to identify the top up on the market, showing you opportunities for you to take profits from this market. A very good sell opportunities. Now I just showed you guys that this market is going to sell, it will buy, it will sell. Now this is a top up here, this is another top up, there's a top up here again. Let me mark it for you guys so that you can see right here. This is a top up at this point. Here again, another top up, right? Another top up. Now how do you know if it's a top up? What you need to know is that this market need to buy, right? The market need to buy for to a certain point. Then when you retest it, you will see the opportunity for a top up. That is how you're able to identify the market for a top up strategy, just like I did right here at this point. Okay, very perfect opportunity. Now you can see how I was able to show you guys this awesome technical analysis strategy. Now on the next video, I'm going to share with you guys how to use indicators to trade the US30 market perfectly. Right now, we did this on the 1 minute time frame. All right, now let's go over to the 1 hour time frame and see how we'll be able to take opportunities from that section. So this is for the 1 minute time frame. Let's see what's going on the 1 hour time frame. Right, let's see what's going on the 1 hour time frame right here. All right, on the 1 hour time frame, like I said, this the market need to buy before it's sold. Right now, this is a top up. You identify a top up when the market has bought for a particular period of time, mainly for a very long period. Then when the market starts retesting, know that that is a top up. You identify that as a top up. Right here is a top up right here. Right here is another top up again, just as you see. Whenever there's a top up, the market will sell. Okay, whenever there's a top up, the market will sell. Right here I've seen another one, opportunity. Right, this is another top, double top. Right, top one, here's another one. Right here, just as you can see, there's a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher high, same as here. Here again, you can see at this point, right, at this point you can see the very big sell opportunity from this market. So I hope you understand what I just said to you guys using this strategy that I just shared with you guys. All right, now if you found value in this video, do well to like and subscribe to the channel, the Daily Forex, for more awesome trading tips and strategies. Right, I will see you guys on the next video.